everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. The snow has stopped and now it's raining, so we'll see how that works out. I have an unboxing today from Fashionphile. It came today, so let's see what I got. Also, I'm still rocking my Disney Parks bag, my Haunted Mansion, and it's working out pretty cool. And we just got back from Tim Hortons, and I had the new dark roast, and it's pretty tasty. So I highly recommend it if you're by Tim Hortons in Canada. They have some in the States, but mostly in Canada, so definitely check it out. Alright, got my blade, got my box. Alright, let's see what I got for my birthday. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Alright, it's from Fashionphile. Okay, comes in a box like that. This has Potty in a box. Woohoo! Okay, the receipt. Oh, I got a calendar. So that's cool. These are really nice. Yeah, they come out with one every year, so I don't know if you can buy them. You may be able to buy them, but they come in like boxes, I think, up until the end of January, I believe. I could be wrong, but if you buy something, then it's in the box, basically. Alright, and then this is the Fashionphile file, if you've never seen one. Here's the item. Thank you from the bottom of this box. So there you go. Hard to find item. This is from my wonderful husband Ted. And this is my birthday present for February 2nd. So, let's see, check it out and see what I got. Used is the new. Alright. Okay, it comes in a Fashionphile dust bag. It's nice. Sometimes they come in whatever designer brand that they are. They also come in their dust bag, but not always. It depends. This is a hard to get item. This is limited edition color. They had the color in 2012. in Prima, and it's spelled P-I-M-E-N-T. It's kind of like orange and red color. It matches my Elma PM Louis bag. So let's go ahead and see here. Ooh, okay. It's nicer than I thought. Alright, so they give you this little thing, if certificate of authenticity. This is the Zippy coin purse in Epi, which is my favorite, in Prima. Okay, so this is the exact color of my Elma wallet. This is my Zippy coin purse. that matches my Elma PM Louis bag. All right, so let's go ahead and see inside here. All right, that looks pretty good. Yeah. Made in France. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Yeah, so it's gonna fit perfectly. It's not too dirty, which is nice. Then you got the LV there, and then the silver hardware that matches my bag. So that's gonna be perfect for my birthday. So that was really nice. He said, if you find a matching wallet, I'll get that for you for your birthday. So I thought that was really sweet. Okay, not too bad. The wear's pretty good. All right, so better than I thought for the money. This was pretty inexpensive for Louis, and especially for the same color as my Elma bag. They're very hard to get, and they only made the color in 2012. So this wallet is in really good condition actually. Yeah, it's not that bad. And it's not too big where it's gonna take up like all your bag. So yeah, this is the matching color. And it's made in France, so that's even better. So thank you, honey, for my birthday present.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah. Oh yeah, matches, eh?
Matches perfect.
Good.
See, it's in pretty good condition, actually.
It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it's good.
So thank you for my birthday.
Order another one. You'd have twins.
No, I'm okay. He is a riot. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's enjoying the your lockdown. If you're in lockdown, they're going to change all the rules in BC because there's no vaccines and they don't know when they're going to be getting them. So it's a little scary. And I think they're going to shut down the restaurants. So that's going to be kind of a bummer. And limit your time that you can go anywhere. So basically a lockdown again. So I'll keep you updated on Instagram and make sure that you see my pictures over there and comment on that and follow me at susansrstyle. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Point of View, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.